I'm at this gorgeous creek, and hopefully you can still hear me. Thank you. But I was kind of playing here with my kid, and I just had this idea to show you something that I do with nature. It's kind of like, I like to feel up trees. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So you find a tree that, you know, likes you. Most of them do. And just kind of, hi tree. Kind of think about how you would approach like a lover in the bedroom. And I just kind of look for the spots that are a bit soft. I start to kind of like massage the tree. You may be wondering, why does she do this? Oh look, a little ant came to play. What this like kind of creates for me is kind of like tapping into the sexualness of nature. And you know, what if it actually feels good for trees too? So I feel up trees, and I invite you to go feel up a tree or a rock or a plant. I mean, oh goodness, plants like flowers. Check out this one. Just really, like, really feel it. What it's like against your skin. And maybe this would be really fun for you to play with. I hope it is. It's really fun for me.